سر ذرا ریزولوشن آ جائے اس کو کر لیں پھر یہ بحث جاری رہے گی سر کل بھی چلے گی.
With the kind permission of the chair, sir. Whereas the armed forces of Pakistan, the Army, Air Force and Navy have once again demonstrated unwavering resolve, unparalleled professionalism and steadfast dedication in the successful execution of Operation Bunyanul Masroor, launched in response to the unprovoked and unjustified Indian aggression. And whereas this measured and resolute operation reaffirmed Pakistan's sovereignty and safeguarded the territorial integrity of the motherland, it was carried out with exceptional restraint and maturity, reflecting the conduct of a responsible nuclear state. Now, therefore, be it resolved that this august House humbly bows in gratitude to Allah Almighty for bestowing upon our nation the strength, courage and unity in defending our territorial integrity and accomplishing a decisive, moral and strategic victory against naked Indian aggression with dignity and honor. Congratulates the people of Pakistan for rising above all political, ethnic and ideological divides and differences and demonstrating unwavering unity in support of national leadership across the political spectrum and speaking with one voice and one purpose to defend the people, sovereignty, territorial integrity and dignity of Pakistan. Pay glorious tribute to the armed forces of Pakistan for their exceptional bravery, strategic foresight, discipline, exemplary skills and supreme sacrifices in the service of nation. They upheld the highest traditions of outstanding professionalism, loyalty and patriotism and responded to security challenges with proportionate and resolute military action. Specifically commends the exceptional professionalism and combat excellence of Pakistan Air Force for effectively repelling aggression and decisively shattering the myth of the enemy's military poise, thereby restoring strategic balance, crucial red line and strengthening the confidence in Pakistan's defense capabilities, which have been widely acknowledged and praised. Honor the sacrifices of the valiant martyrs who laid down their lives in the defense of Pakistan's sovereignty and national honor. Their unmatched heroism and profound selflessness shall remain eternally engraved in the heart of the nation. Strongly condemns the brutal and unprovoked Indian attacks on innocent civilians, including women, children, and the worship places and mosques. Share the grief of the bereaved families of the civilian martyrs who lost their lives in these inhuman attacks. Expresses heartfelt gratitude to Pakistan's brotherly and friendly countries for their unwavering and principled support during this critical time. Reiterates Pakistan's resolute commitment to regional and global peace and stability and supports the resolution of all disputes through sincere, structured and comprehensive dialogue, including on the core issue of Jammu and Kashmir. Urges the government of Pakistan to proactively engage the international community for peaceful, just and lasting resolution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions and aspirations of Kashmiris. Stresses the critical importance of strict adherence to the Indus Water Treaty and reaffirms Pakistan's unwavering resolve to protect its rightful share of water as a fundamental component of national security, international agreements, economic stability and sovereignty. Reminds India that any unilateral and illegal holding in abeyance or other illegal violations of the Indus Water Treaty, including attempts to divert or obstruct Pakistan's water, by any means whatsoever constitutes a serious breach of international humanitarian law and amounts not only to a war crime but also a crime against humanity with grave regional and global repercussions, and confirms that Pakistan will treat any such misadventure by India as an act of war. Resolves that this House shall continue to fulfill its constitutional and democratic responsibilities in safeguarding Pakistan's national interest, promoting internal unity and advancing peace, prosperity, security, and sustainable stability for people of Pakistan and the wider region. Mr. Chairman.
I put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The resolution is passed unanimously. Second time. Leader of the House, I really appreciate you have taken the upper house into confidence, and this is democracy, and you should have a prize even earlier. چونکہ یہ ایسا فورم ہے ہاؤس آف فیڈریشن جس پہ جنہوں نے آپ کو سپورٹ کرنا ہے ان کا اعتماد لینا بہت ضروری ہے. تو دیٹ واز مائی سجیشن کہ دیر شوڈ بی اے ریزولوشن اینڈ دا ہاؤس شوڈ سپورٹ یونانیمسلی. تھینک یو ویری مچ. منسٹر صاحب اینی ادر ایجنڈا
تھا کہ ڈبیٹ اوپن رہے گی سر ٹوڈے اینڈ ایون ٹمورو, اور جو احباب سر بولنا چاہتے ہیں جیسے پہلے عرض کیا کہ اپنے پارلیمنٹری لیڈرز کے ذریعے اگر وہ سیکرٹری صاحب کو لسٹ پرووائڈ کر دیں. انڈیڈ ایوری ون وانٹس ٹو اسپیک, سو وی آر اویلیبل. آج آپ جتنی دیر چلائیں گے اور پھر یہ کل بھی یہ ڈبیٹ اوپن رہے گی جی, اور اگر آگے جانی ہوئی تو ہم بزنس بھی ساتھ لیتے رہیں گے, ڈبیٹ لیکن اس پہ جاری رہے گی تاکہ سارے جو احباب ہیں آنریبل پارلیمنٹری لیڈرز ایز ویل ایز آنریبل ممبرز آف دس آگسٹ ہاؤس دے شوڈ اسپیک فار دیئر پوائنٹ آف ویو. اور یہ موقع بھی ایسا ہے سر, اللہ تعالیٰ نے ہمیں عزت دی ہے, اللہ تعالیٰ نے پاکستان کی افواج کی جو طاقت ہے ریجن میں وہ منوانے کا موقع دیا ہے. تو میرے خیال میں ساروں کو یہ ہم موقع فراہم کریں گے. ہم آپ سے بھی ریکویسٹ کریں گے کہ ہم لوگ موجود ہیں, اسے کل پہ کنٹینیو کریں, اس سے آگے بھی کریں. تو سر
مسٹر احمد ولی خان,
تھینک یو چیئرمین صاحب.
انہوں نے پہلے مانگ لیا, آپ کو بھی دے دیں.
آپ نے